Hello, good morning students, and welcome to this science class of Geography, Chapter 4. The topic is air. In the last class, we had discussed on the topic composition of the atmosphere, and today we shall discuss on the topic the structure of the atmosphere. Our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers starting from the Earth's surface, and these are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Let's discuss them one by one. Troposphere. This layer is the most important layer of the atmosphere, and this is the lowest layer of the atmosphere, about 13 km high at the equator and about 8 km high at the poles. All weather changes take place in this layer. These include cloud formations, rain, snow, hail, storms, lightning, thunder, etc. As we go higher into the troposphere, the air gets thinner and therefore the temperature drops. The rate at which the temperature drops is 1 degree Celsius per stratosphere. This is the layer that lies above the troposphere, and it extends up to 50 km from the surface of the earth. And this is a quiet and safe zone for aircraft to fly, as there are no disturbances due to weather conditions. The temperature in the lower part of this layer remains constant, but it increases in the upper part. The band of ozone gas in this layer protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. The stratopause, the upper part of this layer, separates it from the mesosphere. Here, the temperature starts to decrease again. Mesosphere. This is the middle layer above the stratosphere. Meso means middle. It extends up to 80 km above the Earth's surface. This is a protective layer, as most meteorites from space burn out while passing through this layer due to friction with the atmosphere. The temperature of air in this layer decreases with height. The mesopause, the upper part of this layer, separates it from the thermosphere. Thermosphere. This layer extends to a height about 450 km above the surface of the earth, and the lower part of this layer is called Ionosphere. It contains electrically charged particles called ions that reflect radio waves back to the earth and thus facilitates wireless communications. In this layer, the temperature rises rapidly with height. Exosphere. It is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere, and very little is known about this uppermost layer of the atmosphere. And this layer has very thin air, like light gases like helium and hydrogen float into the space from here, and it extends up to about 1600 km and merges into interplanetary space. So students, that's enough for today. Thank you.